Yo, what's good, everyone? Hans here for my daily trade review. Today was a one and done type of day. Um, One, because it was my first day on my funded account, and two, because I am really trying to instill the discipline in not over trading. What I've come to realize over the last 6 months of trading is that I overtrade and I get one really good trade, two really good trades, and I don't walk away. Um, and it's cost me it's cost me a lot. So I am really trying to instill into myself the discipline to take a trade and be completely okay with base hits. Even on my evaluation with my journaling and tracking it, I passed the eval in 6 days with making anywhere from $400 to $600 a day. Um, in the When you kind of zoom out from that, you realize how much money that actually is. Um, but for whatever reason, when I am in it, even if I see $300, for whatever reason, it's like, nah, it's not enough. I need more. That greed fucking kicks in. I overtrade and I wind up losing it all. So, and plus more. So today my trade was actually pre-market, a couple minutes before market open. Actually, we were uh, overnight. We rallied back up, getting closer to the high of day zone from yesterday. This is the 15-minute time frame. So typically with my strategy, that I'm fine tuning is I like to find swing lows and swing highs and any sort of like major liquidity that I could see them wanting to come down and grab before rallying to whichever side of the position. And this morning we had traded right back up into this high of day zone, failed to close within it on the 15, and we actually broke back down. Um, where am I? Right here. So I typically mainly watch the 2 and the 5 minute. We're on the 5 minute right now. So what I saw was if they rejected this and came back down, where would they likely want to come down and hunt for orders before the move back up? And trying to get into the mindset of the market makers and not retail, um, I saw that they were pushing price down and it actually wicked below this right here. Now, another part of my strategy is playing the 13 and the 21 EMA. I will do a separate video on how I trade my strategy, but to keep it simple for today, on the 30-minute time frame, the price actually came back down and just wicked below the 13 EMA. What I've come to realize too is that on trends, price likes to come back down, test the 13 EMA, and bounce if we're if it's trending up. So with that, I took one contract on futures on long, and my price target was the high of yesterday. Um, After the fact, I kind of realized that dealers in their positioning, they wanted to get their calls out the money, and then with so that's probably why we had that push up. But either way, um, I had a limit sell order right at 44.86, and we fucking hit it. It was a nice 8 point move with one contract. That's a $400 day. It's a great way to end the week, to start the funded, and maintain that. And then as the day went on, obviously there was a lot of opportunities to catch more moves. I actually mentally traded moves towards the end of the day right here. Now on the other side, when price has dipped below the 13 EMA, it shows bearish sentiment with them failing to create any higher highs. We were creating lower highs and lower lows. And then now trading under the 200 EMA, underneath all the EMAs. That is great confluence for my strategy to look for short positions. When we failed to break below this zone here, that I like to keep these zones because they kind of smack continuously. So I played a short. My stop loss is, depending on price action, my stop loss is either a hard 1 point or a close above either the 13 or the 21 EMA. Looking at the volume spread analysis as well, I decided to hold this position only because we were really failing to get above this zone and this level right here. So with that, obviously we came back up. We tested this relative high right here. It rejected, came back, and then I closed the position at the low of this candle right here. It was what was that? 4-point move. So that was a decent trade. And then the same thing, we bounced off of this, I guess you can call it a demand, rallied back up to the midline, but look, we failed to break the zone that we just were trading above. So to me that shows weakness, and we came back, we tested the 13 EMA, and again I was targeting this recent low. Boom, hit again. So it's great to see levels and your analysis kind of be correct, and it definitely adds to the confidence of your abilities and the confidence to take trades as well. So again, overall, a great day. I'm very, very pleased with my trades. I'm very pleased with how I read the market today, and I'm pleased with my discipline. So we'll end it on that. I hope everyone has an amazing weekend. Unfortunately, the fucking markets are closed on Monday, but it'll be a great day to continue to study and work on our craft. So I appreciate you all watching, and coming up next week, we are launching a Discord, which I am super fucking excited about. It's gonna be great. So definitely stay posted on my YouTube. I'll put the links to my Instagram, my Twitter, and my TikTok in the description below. And yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Much love.